everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here I am with another unboxing video. Recently I purchased a projector from AGARO, as you can see. So now I'm going to show you the unboxing of AGARO projector. Let me tell you the specifications of this projector. It's HD 720p projector with 1000 contrast ratio, 1000:1 contrast ratio, and the company has given 30,000 hours lamp life. So, and with 1 year warranty. 1 year warranty. So, yeah, let us go and unbox the remote first. So, yeah, here comes the remote, AGARO remote. And then here comes the main projector. This is the main projector, and here is the lens. Here are the basic power buttons, volume and next previous buttons, and we got 2 USB ports and 1 HDMI port here, and 1 AV port and audio port. And here is the power port, power source. Now let us see what else we got. This is the power cable to plug in the projector to the power source, and here is the audio cable that we can use if we want to add extra audio for this projector. And here is the basic manual. We can refer if we have any doubts. That's it in the box. So now I'll be back after I'll be showing you the projector after I plug it in. So here is the projector. I just plugged in the power source, and I also connected my Amazon Fire Stick to it, and now I am turning it on. Here is the lens cap. I am removing it, and come here, come forward. These are the screen adjustments that we can use. This is zoom in and zoom out option, and this is tilt option. So yeah, now you go and see that screen on the wall. So yeah, as you can see, the screen is blurred. Now I am trying to make it clear. Using the zoom in and zoom out adjustment given here. So yeah, now we
Start.
So yeah, here is the 120-inch screen. Now I need to tell you two things about this projector. And currently you are seeing the projector showing up on a wall, and that's not a projector screen. So that's how the quality will be on the wall. The quality of video is really nice when it comes to the AGARO projector, and the sound quality is not good at all. So you definitely need to get one Bluetooth speaker support for this. Or else you also can connect a speaker with the port given here, audio port given here. So I'll be showing you video without audio. This is the trailer of Avatar. So that's how the quality will be on screen. And there needs to be a at least 10 feet of distance from the projector to the screen for the screen to be this bigger and this large. So check that your room has this minimum of 10 feet distance from wall to the place where you place the projector. Okay? That's the quality, and this is an animated film. So let me show you another video with original humans. That's how that's the quality. I hope you got the quality with this video. Yeah, you can definitely get to enjoy theater-like experience at home with this AGARO projector. So yeah, I hope you liked my review.